Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a true to life story. A story about love, pain, and finally, strength. This story is called The Day I Chose Myself. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a woman named Sarah. She was kind, caring, and always thought about others before herself. She believed in love, real, deep love, the kind that lasts forever. Sarah was married to a man named Adam. At first, their life together was like a dream. They laughed, cooked together, and made plans for the future. Every morning, Adam would say, "I love you," and Sarah believed him completely. But slowly, things began to change. One evening, Sarah noticed that Adam was spending more time on his phone. He smiled at messages but didn't want her to see them. He came home late and said, "I'm busy at work." Sarah felt something was wrong, but her heart didn't want to believe it. One night, while Adam was in the shower, his phone lit up. A message appeared. "I miss you. Can't wait to see you again." Sarah froze. Her heart broke into 1,000 pieces. She didn't shout. She didn't cry right away. She just sat there, staring at the phone, realizing that the man she loved had betrayed her. That night, Sarah cried until the morning. Her tears fell silently as she asked herself, "Why me? What did I do wrong?" But deep inside, she knew the truth. She did nothing wrong. His choice was not her fault. The next morning, she looked at herself in the mirror. Her eyes were red, her heart was heavy, but something changed inside her. She whispered to herself, "I may have lost him, but I will not lose myself." She took a deep breath and decided to choose herself for the first time. She packed her bags, called her best friend, and said, "I'm leaving. I deserve peace." Her friend hugged her and said, "I'm proud of you." Days turned into weeks, and Sarah slowly began to heal. She read books, took long walks, listened to music, and started to smile again. She learned to be alone, but not lonely. She learned that love should never hurt, and that being single can be peaceful. One day she wrote in her journal, "He broke my heart, but I found my strength. He left, but I came home to myself." And that was the day Sarah finally understood. Sometimes losing someone is how you find yourself. Thank you for listening, my beautiful learners. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs strength today. And remember, learn English, but never forget to love yourself too.